Yo, what's up everybody, it's Global Tech here, and if there's one thing that can make or break your gaming setup, it's the keyboard. We're talking about the difference between a rage quit and a victory royale. And trust me, you don't want to be caught slipping with a mushy, unresponsive keyboard. Today, we're diving deep into the world of clicky goodness with 11 absolutely jaw-dropping gaming keyboards that are gonna change the way you game. We're talking crazy RGB customization, lightning-fast response times, and build quality that feels like it was forged in the fires of Mount Doom. Whether you're a casual gamer or a sports pro, there's a keyboard on this list that's gonna level up your game. So buckle up, grab your energy drinks, and get ready to feast your eyes on some of the best gaming keyboards on the planet. Alright, kicking things off with a bang, we've got the Corsair K95 RGB Platinum. This keyboard is an absolute beast. First things first, let's talk about this RGB lighting. It's not just good, it's next level. Every single key is individually backlit, and you can customize it to your heart's content with Corsair's ICU software. We're talking millions of colors, different effects, you name it. But the K95 Platinum isn't just about looks. This thing is built for performance. It's got dedicated macro keys on the left side, which are perfect for assigning complex commands or macros. The Cherry MX switches are super responsive and satisfying to type on, and the build quality is top-notch. This keyboard feels like it could survive a nuclear apocalypse. Overall, if you're looking for a premium keyboard with insane RGB lighting and a ton of features, the Corsair K95 RGB Platinum is definitely worth checking out. Next up, we've got a keyboard that's all about speed, the Razer Huntsman Elite. This thing is a beast when it comes to response times thanks to Razer's optomechanical switches. These switches use optical sensors instead of traditional metal contacts, which means they actuate faster and last longer. And let me tell you, the difference is noticeable. It's like the keys are reading your mind. But the Huntsman Elite isn't just about speed, it's also got a super comfortable wrist rest, dedicated media controls, and of course, Razer's signature Chroma RGB lighting. The lighting on this keyboard is insane, it's bright, it's vibrant, and it syncs up with all your other Razer gear. Plus, the build quality is solid. Razer really stepped it up with this one. Now let's talk about customization. The SteelSeries Apex Pro is on a whole other level when it comes to adjustability. This keyboard features adjustable mechanical switches, which means you can literally fine-tune the actuation point of each key. Want your keys to be super sensitive for gaming? You got it. Prefer a deeper actuation point for typing? No problem. You can even adjust the actuation point of individual keys, which is insane. But wait, there's more. The Apex Pro also has a built-in OLED smart display that shows you useful information like CPU and RAM usage, Discord notifications, and even in-game stats. Plus, it's got a sleek, minimalist design that looks great on any desk. If you're serious about gaming, you need a keyboard that can keep up with you. The Logitech G Pro X is designed for professional gamers, with a focus on performance and durability. One of the coolest things about this keyboard is that it has swappable switches. That means you can choose from different types of GX switches to find the perfect feel for you. Whether you like clicky, linear, or tactile switches, the G Pro X has got you covered. It's also incredibly compact, with a 10-keyless design that takes up minimal desk space. And of course, it's got customizable RGB lighting that you can sync with your other Logitech G gear. Alright, let's talk about build quality. The HyperX Alloy Elite 2 is built like a tank. This keyboard is solid, and I mean that in the best way possible. It's got a steel frame that feels incredibly sturdy, and the keys are super durable. You could probably use this keyboard to hammer in nails, not that I recommend it, but you get the idea. But the Alloy Elite 2 isn't just about durability. It's also got some pretty sweet features like dedicated media controls, a USB pass-through port, and dynamic RGB lighting that looks fantastic. The lighting effects are smooth and vibrant, and you can customize them with HyperX's Ingenuity software. For all you FPS gamers out there, the Asus ROG Strix Scope is a must-have. This keyboard is designed specifically for first-person shooters, with an extra-wide Ctrl key that gives you more precision and control. No more fat-fingering that crouch key in the middle of a firefight. The Strict Scope also has a stealth key that instantly mutes your audio and minimizes all windows, which is perfect for those times when you need to focus on the game, or maybe hide what you're doing from your boss. Plus, it's got all the other features you'd expect from a high-end gaming keyboard, like customizable AuraSync RGB lighting, Cherry MX switches, and a durable aluminum top plate. If you're looking for something a little different, check out the Roccat Vulcan 121 AMO. This keyboard stands out from the crowd with its unique Titan switches, which are designed for speed and precision. They have a shorter actuation point than traditional mechanical switches, and they're incredibly responsive. But what really sets the Vulcan 121 AMO apart is its design. It's got a sleek, minimalist look with exposed key switches that give it a really cool aesthetic. And of course, it wouldn't be a Roccat keyboard without some impressive RGB lighting. The AMO intelligent lighting system creates stunning lighting effects that react to your gameplay. Alright, let's talk about innovation. The Cooler Master MK850 is a keyboard that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible. This keyboard features aimpad technology, which allows for analog control of your movement in games. That means you can use the WASD keys like joysticks, giving you a level of precision and control that you just can't get with traditional digital keys. It takes a little getting used to, but once you master it, it's a game changer. Plus, the MK850 has a detachable wrist rest, dedicated media controls, and per-key RGB lighting that looks fantastic. Don't let the small size fool you, the Ducky one. 2 Mini is a mighty keyboard. This 60% keyboard is incredibly compact, making it perfect for gamers with limited desk space or who like to take their keyboard on the go. But don't let the size fool you, this thing is still packed with features. It's got PBT double-shot keycaps that are super durable and resistant to shine, and it comes with a variety of Cherry MX switches to choose from. And of course, it wouldn't be a Ducky keyboard without some seriously cool keycaps. The 2 Mini is known for its vibrant and unique keycap designs. If you're looking for a keyboard that's as stylish as it is functional, the Alienware Pro Gaming Keyboard AW768 is a great option. This keyboard has a sleek, futuristic design that's sure to turn heads. It's got dedicated macro keys that you can program with custom commands, and it features Alien FX lighting, which syncs up with other Alienware devices for a truly immersive gaming experience. The AW768 also has a comfortable wrist rest and a durable build quality that can withstand even the most intense gaming sessions. Last but not least, we have the Fnatic Streak RGB. This keyboard is all about style and performance. It's got a super slim, low-profile design that looks great on any desk, and it's surprisingly comfortable to type on. The Streak RGB also features customizable RGB lighting that you can control with Fnatic's OP software. You can choose from a variety of preset lighting effects or create your own custom profiles, and of course, it wouldn't be a gaming keyboard without some performance features. The Streak RGB has optical switches that are incredibly fast and responsive, making it a great choice for competitive gaming. So there you have it, guys, 11 absolutely jaw-dropping gaming keyboards that are going to completely transform your gaming setup. From insane RGB lighting to lightning-fast response times, these keyboards have it all. No matter what your budget is or what type of gamer you are, there's a keyboard on this list that's perfect for you. So go out there, upgrade your setup, and get ready to dominate the competition. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome tech reviews. Peace out.